everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great little card to share with you today, and this is using the Blended Season stamp set, which is only available until the end of August, and it's also while supplies last. This is an exclusive stamp set, and today's card, I did a wedding card, and it opens up like that, and you're able to stick a gift card inside. So super fun, pretty card. So I'm going to show you a masculine version, and I'm going to do a birthday card. And I basically went ahead and I took a piece of crumb cake, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and I just folded this in half, and using the largest die, I ran it through the Big Shot, leaving this edge exposed, and that's how I was able to create this piece. So I went ahead and ran that through the Big Shot. I also used the designer series paper. I'm using is the Tranquil Textures, and I went ahead and I die cut a smaller one in the DSP, and then I die cut a larger one also in the DSP, but just a half, and that's going to be for the inside where our gift card is going to slot into. So I've got the leaves mounted on my stamp set, and I'm just going to use tone on tone ink, and I'm using Pool Party, and I am just randomly going to stamp some leaves. I have my multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm just going to attach this to the front of the card. There is so much that you can do with this die set, and again, it is only available until the end of August. I have some tear and tape, and I am just going to stick tear and tape along the side and on the bottom. Like so. I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and I am going to stamp with crumb cake. Wishing you all the best. So it doesn't matter the occasion, this stamp set is good for any occasion. I made a boo-boo. And that is all there is to it. Super fun, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I will also have that linked in the description below, so if you click on the link, it will take you straight to my blog post. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.